Selling a home is often one of the most significant financial decisions a person makes.
That's right.
Navigating federal tax laws alongside state-specific requirements, especially here in Las Vegas and Henderson, might seem daunting. Here are a few tips designed to help you understand the key tax considerations when selling your home. Here are some federal tax considerations. First, let's talk about capital gains exclusions. One of the most significant federal tax advantages for homeowners is the capital gains exclusion. Under current federal law, if you use your home as your primary residence for at least 2 of the previous 5 years before the sale, you may be eligible to exclude up to $250,000 of capital gains from your taxable income, or up to $500,000 for married couples filing jointly.
Nice.
This exclusion is a major benefit for many sellers and can substantially reduce your tax liability. However, if you use your home for business or rental purposes, or if you do not meet the ownership or use tests, the exclusion might not fully apply.
Oh, no.
Next, let's talk about reporting and documentation. Even if you qualify for the capital gains exclusion, it's essential to maintain meticulous records of the sale.
That's right.
Keep documents that details your home's purchase price, any significant improvement made during your ownership, and the final selling price. These records will help determine your adjusted basis, the starting point for calculating any taxable gains. Improvement that add to the value of your home, such as a remodeled kitchen or a new roof, can increase your adjusted basis, thereby reducing the capital gains. While minor repairs generally do not qualify, investing in significant upgrades may pay off when tax season comes around. Next, let's talk about special circumstances affecting federal taxes. So, certain situations might alter the federal tax implication of selling your home. For example, if you're selling your home as part of a divorce settlement, the tax consequences can differ from a typical sale. Additionally, if you have previously claimed depreciation for business use of your home, the IRS may require you to recapture the depreciation, which means you may owe taxes on those deductions.
Oh, no.
Similarly, selling a home that has been used partly for rental purposes can trigger complex tax issues that may require professional advice. Next, let's talk about some strategies for minimizing tax liability. First, timing your sale. The timing of your home sale can have significant tax consequences.
That's right.
As mentioned previously, selling in a year when your income is lower can help reduce the overall tax rate on any taxable gains. Conversely, if you're anticipating a high income year, it might be worth exploring strategies to defer the sale or to offset gains with losses from other investments. Next, investing in home improvements. Another practical strategy is to invest in substantial home improvement before selling. Not only do these improvements potentially increase the market value of your home, but they also raise your adjusted basis, which can result in a lower capital gain when you sell.
Nice.
It's important, however, to differentiate between improvements and repair. The IRS only allow improvements to be added to your basis. Documenting these changes thoroughly is crucial for substantiating your claims in the event of an audit. Next, utilizing tax-deferred strategies. For some sellers, a 1031 exchange may be an option if the home was used for an investment or rental purposes. This strategy allows you to defer paying capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds from the sale into a similar type of property. However, strict IRS guidelines apply, and the rules for primary residences are different from those for investment properties.
That's right.
Consulting a qualified tax advisors who specialize in real estate transactions can help determine if a 1031 exchange is suitable for your situation. Always work with a professional. So, what is the role of the real estate agent? As your real estate agent, My role extends beyond just finding the right buyer for your home.
That's right.
I understand that selling a home is as much a financial decision as it is a personal one. My experience in the industry has shown that working closely with tax professionals and financial advisors can ensure that you're not leaving money on the table. I strive to provide my clients with not only market expertise, but also guidance on how to navigate the tax landscape efficiently. You always want to partner with a tax advisor.
That's right.
Given the complexity involved in both federal and state tax laws, engaging a tax advisor is a critical step in this process. These professionals can offer personalized advice based on your individual financial circumstances. They can help you understand the nuances of capital gains, document deductibles expenses properly, and plan for potential liabilities. With expert advice, you can make informed decisions that align with both your short-term goals and your long-term financial health. So, what's the bottom line? Selling your home is a multifaceted process that goes well beyond simply plopping a sell sign in front of your home and listing the property on the market. Understanding the tax implications, whether at the federal level or within specific frameworks of Las Vegas and Henderson, is essential for ensuring that you make the most financially sound decision. By familiarizing yourself with the key concepts like the capital gain exclusion, the importance of thorough documentation, and the benefit of timing the strategic home improvements, you can better navigate the complexity of a home sale. Remember, while this guide provides an overall of what to expect, every seller's situation is unique.
That's right.
It's always a good idea to consult with professionals who understand both the real estate market and the tax law. With the right advice and planning, you can minimize the tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money, making your home sale a truly rewarding experience. I hope you find this guide helpful as you prepare for your next real estate transaction. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you every step of the way.